Empower your farm with eagle-eyed vision. Filahi's drones and AI see every detail, maximizing yield, minimizing loss. Grow smarter, harvest richer. But the eagle eye isn't the only weapon in Filahi's arsenal. Prepare to unlock a full suite of crop intel, powered by a powerful trifecta of technology. 1. Satellite observation. Think of it as a watchful hawk soaring above your fields. Filahi's satellite data scans vast landscapes, detecting early threats before they take root. Like a personalized weather report for your crops, it guides pilots and users to focus their attention where needed most. Get a weekly overview, pinpoint critical areas, and take strategic action. 2. Drone intelligence. Now dive in for a closer look. Imagine a hummingbird hovering, taking detailed portraits of your leaves. Filahi's high-resolution drone cameras capture millimeter-precise imagery, a first in farming. Our advanced AI, the ultimate plant whisperer, analyzes these portraits in real time, identifying growth stage, weeds, insects, and diseases. See the unseen, understand your crops intimately, and make informed decisions with confidence. 3. Drone spraying. Time to take action, but with surgical precision. Think of a butterfly flitting from flower to flower, delivering just the right touch. Filahi's variable, autonomous spraying technology targets threats with laser focus, using up to 90% less water and 60% fewer pesticides. It's not just spraying, it's crop pampering. Reduce your environmental footprint while maximizing impact, and watch your harvests flourish. We've seen the big picture, the targeted threats, and the personalized solutions. But there's more. Imagine soaring above your fields with the state-of-the-art Mavic 3 drone, its multispectral camera revealing secrets invisible to the human eye. This isn't just about fancy pictures, it's about unlocking a hidden language, a language of healthy crops and thriving fields. Filahi analyzes the whispers of nutrient deficiencies, the silent cries of thirsty plants, and unveils a rainbow of insights no satellite image can match. Powered by sophisticated indices like MSAVI, NDVI, NDMI, and NDRE, it paints a precise picture of your crop health, guiding you to optimize resources, maximize yields, and minimize risks. Filahi's AI goes beyond just seeing. It analyzes, understands, and guides your farm to success. Our models are your silent partners working tirelessly to count crops in seconds, no sweat. From seedlings to harvest, know your numbers instantly. Spot hidden weeds before they steal. Early detection, quick action, thriving crops. Know your growth stage, maximize every phase. Irrigation, fertilization, peak performance unlocked. Diseases caught early, profits sing. AI sleuth protects your harvest effortlessly. Pests pinpointed, strike with precision. Sleep soundly, crops secure. Filahi's power expands. Detailed reports, farm health unveiled, PDFs at your fingertips. Instant alerts, critical threats warned, action ready, investment protected. Filahi's AI isn't just smart, it's fast. Our models analyze data live, from the moment your drone takes off. This means instant plant counts, weed alerts, disease warnings, and pest pinpointing, empowering you to react immediately and protect your yield with lightning speed. Don't wait for harvest, reap the benefits today. Step into the future of agriculture with Filahi. Start your journey now and unlock the power of AI for your farm.